Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. First of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now open your taskbar and click on the Windows icon. From here, search for settings and click on open. After opening the settings, scroll down till you see personalization. Click on personalization. Inside it, click on colors. Now you will see a bunch of options. Now look for choose your mode. Inside here you will see light, dark and custom. So to enable dark mode, we shall click on dark, and this will change your laptop to a dark mode. You can even custom it. Now the another way to enable dark mode is go to your home, and inside recommended settings scroll down till you see color mode and choose to dark, and that's it. Dark mode is now enabled in Windows 11. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.